Have you ever wondered if Pluto, the beloved dwarf planet, has an atmosphere? Surely such a small, icy body at the edge of our solar system couldn't support one, right? Well, prepare to be amazed because the answer is a resounding yes. Pluto, despite its diminutive size and extreme distance from the Sun, does indeed have an atmosphere. But how do we know this? The hard evidence comes from a historical event, the flyby of the New Horizons spacecraft in July of 2015. As it passed by Pluto, New Horizons observed a faint glow around the planet, a phenomenon caused by sunlight illuminating a thin layer of atmospheric gases. This layer, primarily composed of nitrogen, with smaller amounts of methane and carbon monoxide, extends about 1,600 kilometers above Pluto's surface, nearly 4 times the height of Earth's atmosphere. Furthermore, when New Horizons passed behind Pluto, it observed a twilight effect, which provided additional evidence of an atmosphere. This twilight is caused by the sun's rays passing through the atmosphere and scattering, creating a soft, diffuse light. If Pluto had no atmosphere, there would be no scattering of sunlight, and thus no twilight. In addition to the observations by New Horizons, there's indirect evidence to support the existence of an atmosphere on Pluto. Scientists have noticed seasonal changes on the surface of the planet, with frosts appearing and disappearing. These changes suggest the presence of a thin but dynamic atmosphere, which sublimates and freezes in a cycle as Pluto orbits the Sun. Now, Pluto's atmosphere isn't quite like ours. It's incredibly thin, about 100,000 times less dense than Earth's. And it's extremely cold, with temperatures dropping to minus 225 degrees Celsius. Despite these harsh conditions, the fact remains: Pluto, the little dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system, does indeed have an atmosphere. To summarize, the evidence for an atmosphere on Pluto comes from the observations made by the New Horizons spacecraft, which saw a faint glow around the planet and observed a twilight effect. Additionally, scientists have noted seasonal changes on Pluto's surface, indicative of a dynamic atmosphere. Despite being incredibly thin and cold, Pluto's atmosphere is a testament to the fascinating diversity of our solar system. So the next time someone asks you if Pluto has an atmosphere, you can confidently say, yes, it does. It